Talking Alaba International Market is a hatred against Ndi Igbo, believe it or not. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Baraba's Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And today we will quickly jump into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand immediately as they hot. One of the chairman for inside market don't come outside, they explain more of the reason why they lock their market, and also give more details concerning other market inside Alaba, a place like Alaba Arago where Hausa and Northerners occupy in Lagos. That place is as dirty as any other thing you can imagine. Even the lagoon in Lagos cross that area, but they never tamper with that side because the Hausas refuse and restricted them for entering inside that place. They now boycott it to Igbo people's shop, and today they now lock their shop. What is the reason? That the markets are not clean. The same people that give them award of keeping the market clean, it's the same people that turn around to lock their market. We are going to play this video, and I want you to watch the video from beginning to end and understand what is going on. But however, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu have said it all time without number, say that Lagos or anything concerning Nigeria are not for Igbos as it stand now, but our people refuse to hear. As we are talking, most of them are still buying swamp where they will build their plaza and where they will build their house in Lagos as we are talking right now. Your state, Imo State, Anambra, Enugu, even though you're from Calabar, anywhere you're from, even though you are from Abia State, who will develop your own land? This is the question. You can have a house where you live, of course, but the situation of Nigeria, and I have to think home. So let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
So these videos he are showing us has nothing to do with us, and we have nothing on it again. So the man now asks us, do we think that maybe if we are living in an environment and our neighbor is dirty, and are we going to say we are not dirty? And I ask him, if a criminal is being caught in any streets and maybe police arrested him, does it mean that the whole people living within that enclosure are criminals? He never answered that my question. Madam, listen to me. So I'm just explaining to you what I think you want to know what happened. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So that was what they said. They said if other sections are dirty, that it has to do with Alaba. And I told them that we have 16 sections in Alaba that are having the autonomy, they have their leadership, they have the agreement based on the section with the Loma and their agents. That we, the electronic section, we are exceptional. We don't have even authority to influence any other section around us. That we are having up to 16 sections, and everybody is being treated based on the section where he found himself. So the man now said, okay, we are going to put up a letter which we will address to the MD, which we will address to the Chief of Staff, which we will address to Commissioner of Environment. We now told them that we don't have anything, we don't have any writing materials. But before that woman that left, that Miss Abana, before she came back with a file, and when she came back with that file, she began to call the names of those that have violated their rule. And I want to tell you categorically that electronics name was not involved. We are not among the people that they have penciled down that they will shut their market. But what people doesn't know is that this Alaba is made up of 16 sections. And each section is having autonomy. Each section is standing on its own. Each section have their own government. Each section is not influential to any other section. So on that note, we now told them that electronics, we are not involved. So we left and came back. That's just what have happened. And we came back and we still shut the markets. We are now appealing to them to come and open the market. Even they can come and see things by themselves. I have done some videos. I have taken some photoshops, which I have sent to that Mrs. Akpena. And she replied to me, I said, okay, I should video our own drainage. I told her we don't have drainage. The section where we find ourselves does not have any drainage. So the area that have drainage has to do with another section of the market. And we only have gutters. And the gutters we have, you can walk towards the front road. You will see that it's covered, it's sealed up. So there is no way those robbers or those dirty or those waste will be entering our gutter, because our gutter are sealed from the beginning of our section to the end of our section. So that is just what happened.
Thank you very much. We are all Nigerians, and we are out of freedom to equal right to live in our father's land. Do you think it's probably a tribalism?
I see it as a witch hunt too, because there are some sections around this market that are so dirty, that are living in shanties, that are living doing business even in a kiosk, that even you cannot even access the line. Yes. But they never did anything on that area. Yes. I don't know why they specifically want to attack us that are Igbos. Why is this so? Are we not the same Nigerian? Are we not paying? Are we not having this? Are we not members of the same Nigeria? If they are telling us that we are not Nigerians, they should come up openly and tell us that we are not Nigerians. So they should treat us the way they treat other people.
So there are other places that are even...
Okay, even if you are going towards that Alaba, you will find out that that place is an eyesore, it's an dustbin. Why haven't they gone to that place and tell them that they should clean up or not, shut them down? That's what we are saying. Yeah. So if Nigeria is accepting all of us to be Nigeria, let everybody have equal treatment.
Yes. Please, can you tell me some of the sanitation measures? I know some of them.
See, in this section of Alaba, we have a department, a committee that is called Sanitation Department. They are saddled with anything that has to do with sanitizing the market. And I am telling you, yes, it's a group here.
And you do it every?
We do it on daily basis. We do it on daily basis. But eventually you drink a pure water and put the nylon inside this your waste. They come and see it, they will write you. They will write your number and you pay a So we are doing it on every day. Then on every Thursday we shut down the market from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. We make sure that we clean all the environment. In fact, it was the same Loma that gave us an award that says we are the cleanest market in Lagos State. Then why would they come back to revise us themselves and say that we are dirty? I have sent the videos to them. I uploaded it and said to them that they should come and see things by themselves. And they should not judge us based that we are called Alaba. That Alaba is a holistic name. Alaba, when you call Alaba, is a holistic name. But it's sectionalized. We have up to 16 sections. So if they want to relate with any section, they will deal with them based on that section, because they have their government of their own. They are independent.
Thank you very much. So are they still of the 16 sections?
In fact, they are still as many as they know. Even from the record, from their record, electronic section is exempted. We are not among the list of those that they want to sell. Even we call the Loma company.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, even the journalists that come to interview these people in this market, they ask them, when they tell them about Alaba, if you have been in Lagos, I don't know where they call Alaba, go to Alaba International Market, say that you want to go to Alaba and see things by yourself. Alaba is another world inside Lagos, another world entirely. You see people standing up and sleeping. People eat on top of dirty. People, oh my God, if you go to Alaba, you'll be shocked. Why can't they extend that their sanitization or whatever they call it inside that place? People over there are not paying a dime they are not contributing 1 naira to the government of Lagos. I'm telling you people the truth. I have been there before. I'm telling you. And today, where they first is where they see Igbo people who pay tax, buy their land, have all the documents, and build their house, beautifying everywhere, cleaning everywhere, is where you come aside to destroy. And tomorrow you will come aside and say, one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Lagos, Yoruba people should rethink. Igbos are not your enemy. You will have something greater to do with Igbos in the future. But if you destroy this thing, allow this man in Lagos with Tinubu Kabas to destroy what you will do with Igbos in the future, you will be the one to regret it tomorrow. Because even though you demolish everything owned by Igbos, give them 6 months, they will recover. It's a God gift, and which no man can take away from them. My people, please share this video so that more people will know what is going on in Lagos as well. So thank you so much for watching.